TIFF Image Printer 12 Profile Manager Overview. Version 12 of Peernet's image printers, TIFF Image Printer, Raster Image Printer, and PDF Image Printer use profiles, which are a group of settings used to create the output file you want. Profile Manager is a user-friendly interface for editing and creating profiles. The purpose of Profile Manager is to provide an interface through which users can review all available settings and features, and easily enable and disable and configure output settings as desired. This makes it easier for users to find and change their output settings, utilize more than one profile, and share their settings with colleagues. In this video, I will give you an overview of Profile Manager, found in version 12 of your image printer. Profile Manager can be accessed through the dashboard. To launch the dashboard for your image printer, double-click on the image printer icon on your desktop. If you have removed the image printer icon from your desktop, you will find it by selecting Start and scrolling down to TIFF Image Printer, Raster Image Printer, or PDF Image Printer. From the dashboard, select Edit and Create Profiles. This first screen of Profile Manager will show you your existing profiles. If you have just installed your image printer, you will see the system profiles that we include with each image printer. For TIFF Image Printer, there are 3: Color Optimized TIFF, Fax TIFF, and Monochrome TIFF. For Raster Image Printer, there are 6: Color Optimized TIFF, Fax TIFF, Monochrome TIFF, Color Optimized JPEG, Adobe PDF, and Non-Searchable PDF. For PDF Image Printer, there are 2: Adobe PDF and Non-Searchable PDF. The system profiles are a darker color and cannot be edited, but you can create a copy from which to create your own personal profile. Alternatively, you can select Add a Profile to create a new profile. This screen also allows you to import a profile if, for example, your colleague wants to share their conversion settings with you. You also have the option to mark a profile as Favorite or hide a profile. These options influence how your profiles will be listed when printing to your image printer. Favorite profiles will appear at the top of your list, and hidden profiles will not appear. If you have a lot of profiles, there are also filtering options available to allow you to see all your profiles, only your favorite profiles, hidden profiles, system profiles, or personal profiles. Now, let's take a look at editing a profile. On the editing screen, you can edit the name and description of the profile at the top of the screen, and all additional features and settings are organized into tabs. This editing view is largely the same for all 3 image printers, with the exception of the output options available. For TIFF Image Printer, you can only select from TIFF Multi-Paged and TIFF Serialized. For Raster Image Printer, you can select from a wide range of output types, including TIFF, PDF, JPEG, etc. For PDF Image Printer, you can only select from Adobe PDF Multi-Paged and Adobe PDF Serialized. The Save Options tab is where you can edit prompting, select file type, resolution, and color, set the output location and base file name, and enable file splitting. The Compression tab can be used to control file size. This tab will change based on which file type you have selected. For PDFs, the Downsampling tab will also appear and can be used to control file size. The Fax Mode tab allows you to enable fax mode creation and designate the fax profile used. See our Create Faxable Files video for more information. The File Name Creator tab allows you to create custom file names. This is typically used when you have prompt for the output location and base file name turned off. You can add things like separators, custom text, unique IDs, and the date and time of conversion to your file name structure. See our Customize File Name video for more information. When you have a TIFF file type selected, the TIFF Options tab will appear to allow you to edit by order method and include or exclude TIFF tags. When you have a PDF file type selected, the PDF Options tab will appear to allow you to control font embedding and how the PDF will look in the viewer when first opened. With PDFs, you will also see the PDF Security tab, which allows you to enable encryption and add an open password and/or change password. The Page Editing tab includes settings such as rotate page, cropping, trimming, and adjusting page brightness. See our Adjust Page Orientation and Rotate Pages video for more information. The Page Resizing tab includes all settings relevant to copying your page contents to a new page. See our Copy Page Contents to a New Page Size video for more information. The Document Information tab allows you to add basic descriptive information to your output files. This is primarily used when creating PDF files. The Stamping tab allows you to add text and image watermarks, or stamp your output pages with the page number or date and time of conversion. See our Add Watermark to Each Page video for more information. The Run Commands tab can be used to enable different actions upon a successful or failed conversion of a file. The rest of the tabs contain very specialized settings, and you'll likely only use them if directed to by the Peernet support team. Once you've finished editing your profile, click Save to save your changes. This is also where you can export your profile to share with another user, or select Back to return to the previous screen. Be sure to check out any of the tutorial videos mentioned in this video for more information on editing specific settings. All links to videos mentioned in this video can be found in the description box below. Try out our TIFF Image Printer for yourself and see how easy and effective it really is. Follow the link below to download a free trial.